Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, in this episode I have the GEPRC Smart 16. This is a nano size drone, very light. Here, check out the weight of this with the batteries. It takes two 1S batteries that are at, as I look at them here, 380 milliamp hours at 90C rating. Takes two of them, so it's a 2S drone. But with that light weight, it is considered to be a freestyle drone. Now, usually when drones get this small, they have difficulty doing freestyle, but this one is designed exactly for freestyle. So if you're an amateur and you love freestyle, you love going through things, doing loops, flips, rolls, everything, this is the drone for you. If you're a pro, you can make this thing sing. I'm not a pro on the freestyle side, and it's freaking cold outside, so I did some freestyle on it, but nothing exciting, so you'll see that coming up really soon. Anyways, what I want to say is that this is a really good drone. I've already flown it outdoors and I was very impressed with it. Very quiet too. Now, some of the really good things about this drone is it has a 200 milliwatt VTX at the back, so you can go quite a fair distance without losing any video signal. Up front, you have the latest Nano camera, so the image coming back to you is actually really decent. The brushless motors on here are the latest 0803 motors, and I do like the props. I will say something about the props. They're super durable because I have crashed this thing into pavement, into concrete, and the props never broke. I'm still using the same props that came with it. So props to the props. This drone does come in analog and digital. I have the very inexpensive analog format here because it's so small. These drones, when they're this tiny, you're not going to fly them super far, so analog is perfect for a guy like me. You can also get them with different receivers in them like ELRS, Crossfire, all sorts of things. So when you go to order it, the link is below. You just select what receiver you want. Another cool thing is you can put the two batteries on the bottom or the top. It comes with the connectors to do either. It's your choice. I went and put them on the bottom for this drone because I went and stuck a Insta360 Go camera on the front. The Insta360 Go camera is pretty heavy and weighs almost as much as this drone by itself without the batteries, but it lifts it no problem. It has no issue lifting it. Flight time with the two batteries will be about 4 minutes because it's so tiny, you know, and it really moves. So yeah, you get about 4 minutes flight time. That's it. Final nice thing about it, it's a carbon fiber construction, so it's very durable, very strong. All right, so what I'm going to do now is something I have never tried. I'm going to fly it around this part of my house with the Insta360 Go on it with my Fat Shark goggles, and we'll see how it goes. I'm using a TX16X, the Eachine version, for a radio for this thing. All right, let's see what we can do. Let's try not to crash. My radio's on. I'm just going to connect the two batteries, and I do have a GoPro over here which is going to catch this, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the GoPro with me and we're going to walk over this way here, and I'm going to put the GoPro down over there, and I'm going to stick my little drone here. So when the drone flies, it has to miss these lights up here, which are just above right where my hand is here, and it's got to miss my head and go that way. So you know, let's see if this works. All right, here we go. Okay, let's arm this.
Arm motors.
And let's take it up and fly it past my head without smashing into me. Ooh, over my shoulder. There we go. All right, I survived that, and let's go this way. You can see it's pretty good. I'm just hovering here in my living room, and yeah, I can go through the door nicely. It's a really good drone for flying. Check this out. It's pretty darn decent. Here, let's go in my dining room. Let's go over here. Miss those chairs, come back this way. Through the kitchen, there I am. There's the sun. Go over my shoulder again. So yeah, no issues there. You can go a little faster. I'm gonna go a little faster this time. It is really good for people who live in the winter countries like me, and in the winter it's too cold to fly outside, so you want to fly indoors. Look at how stable this thing is. And you can do some really fast maneuvers outside, as you're going to see when I show you the outdoor video. All right, let's bring it back to me. It's pretty simple to fly. No issues whatsoever. Let's come up here and we'll smash it into the table. All right. That was a loud sound. What was that? All right, so success. Not the greatest landing, but success. That was a good indoor flight. Now what I want to show you is I'm going to take this little baby and I'm going to go outside. I'm going to fly it with a hat cam on. I've already done this, so I can tell you what you're going to see, and you'll see it flying around. Then I'm going to fly it without the Insta360 Go, just to see how it does the freestyle, flying in the area. Then I'm going to put the Insta360 Go back in, and then fly it around outside and bring it back. And then after you see all that, then I'm going to show you what comes in the box. Oh, it's pretty cold out here. Let's plug this in really quick. Ooh, let's put that down. There we go. How's it going to fly in this wind? Oh, it flies great. Take it up in the air, fly it over this way, fly it over that GoPro. Wow. That's pretty decent. That is really decent. Very easy to control. There it is up in the air. And bring it down in the grass over here. And right by the little thing. There we go. Well, that's not really the grass, but it's down. All right, so same batteries. I don't know how much power I'm going to have left because you only get 4-minute flight time and it's pretty cold out here and I've already flown for over a minute. So let's see what I can do. I'm just going to fly this with my Fat Sharks and record the video inside. It's pretty crappy video, but you'll see it anyways. Pretty darn cold out here. Let's see if I can even arm it. Let's put an acro mode.
Arm motors.
All right. And let's bring it back to me. So there we go. It's fast and fun. And I'm just making sure I don't have a low battery warning. See, it says, yep, you could do pretty cool acro on this. Did you see that? That was pretty nice. Land now, it says. It's telling me the battery's getting low. You can see it on the screen. All right, let me bring it down and let's see if I can put an let me see if I can put a Go, Insta360 Go on it. Look at this thing. It's just going land now, land now. Here, I can slow it down. This is a nice drone to buzz around. It's just unfortunate it's so cold out here that, you know, look what's happening. I'm flying with no problem, but whoa, that's a tree. All right, it survived that tree crash. Let's put an Insta360 Go camera up here and see what the video looks like. There we go, 2 batteries out, 2 new batteries. I think I need glasses and I need a hat on too. It's cold, 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 cold. All right, let's put these 2 batteries in. Now I just want to say this Insta360 Go camera almost weighs as much as this drone, but this drone is so powerful it can lift it. This 3D printed thing is frozen. I can't even get this in. All right, I think I got it in that time. Okay, the Insta360 Go camera should be on and you're looking at my head and we're looking at the little GoPro here that's going to film the takeoff. I'll just plop it down here, try to sit level with all that weight. Grab this, grab my goggles, and let's go fly.
Arm motors.
Here we go. So this is what it looks like with the Insta360 Go camera up front. And look at this, it's flying with it with no issues. This is awesome. Look at how smooth it flies. It's really good. Let's go here. Can you do freestyle with the camera on it? Oh, you can. Wow, I didn't think you could with all that weight, but it does it quite well. I love that it's got a lot of speed. Oh, there's a car coming. Love that it's got a lot of speed. Let's go back this way into the sun. Let's take it up. There we go. I won't get 4 minutes of flight time, not with this heavy camera. Whoa, tree again. Camera on the front, but you definitely can get some flight time. It's got a 200 milliwatt video transmitter, so I can go quite far down the road, but I'm not going to because it's a long ways for me to walk. If I bang into something, I have to go pick it up. So I'll just take it nice and easy this way. Go down this street. There we go, and come back here. And there we go. Let's bring it back for a landing. Let's go over by this tree. There I am out here. And come around this way. There I am, in the sun. And let's bring it down over here. Pretty nice drone. It's gonna be fun in the summertime. In the wintertime with my cold fingers. Ooh, here we go. Here's my little blue shoes. So it did really well with the Insta360 Go on it. That camera is pretty heavy, but yeah, I could do freestyle and had lots of power to fly. It's pretty amazing considering, look at the props. They're just these little 2-bladed things. I'll put my hands so you can see them. But yet, so much power and so much agility. Really good. This is the box your Smart 16 comes in, and check out its size compared to a quarter. 2 batteries are included in the box along with a 4-battery charger. Spare props are included along with various battery mounts. Additional nuts, bolts, and screwdriver are included, as well as a quick start guide to get you up and flying. All right, my final thoughts on this little guy. It's definitely a buy. It's a really good drone. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or you're a pro, it's a really good drone. They kept this so simply designed. It's basically a quad with the PIDs in it for freestyle. So that's why it flies so nice indoors. You saw it with all this weight up front. Smooth indoors, smooth outdoors. If you want to go fast, you can go fast. If you want to go slow, you can go slow. I think if you're a beginner, you'll love this drone, and it's very durable. I have crashed this into many things so far, and the props have not broken. So links are below. Go check it out. It's probably on several different sites. There might even be a discount code. See if it's a drone for you. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you in a future video with many more reviews of drones and other cool tech. Till then, bye.